Types of pulley and belts induction. Pulley. A pulley is a simple machine that consists of a wheel on an axle or shaft, designed to support movement and change the direction of force applied to a load. Pulleys are widely used in various applications to lift heavy objects, reduce the effort needed to move loads, or transmit power. Fixed pulley. Description: the wheel is fixed in place and does not move with the load. Function: changes the direction of the force applied, e.g., pulling down to lift an object. Movable pulley. Description: the wheel moves with the load, effectively halving the effort needed to lift it. Function: provides a mechanical advantage by compound pulley, block and tackle. Description: combines fixed and movable pulleys to increase mechanical advantage. Function: allows for lifting heavy loads with ease. Belt pulley. Description: used to transmit power between shafts, often in machines like lathes or conveyors. Function: works with belts to transfer. Sheave. Description: type of pulley that typically has a groove designed to accommodate a rope or cable. Function: primarily used in application. Snatch block. Description: a pulley that can be opened to allow the rope to be threaded through without disconnecting the line. Function: used for redirecting. Belts are mechanical components used to transmit power and motion between different parts of a machine. They are typically made from flexible materials and looped around pulleys to transfer energy from one shaft to another. V-belts. Description: these have a trapezoidal cross-section and fit into corresponding grooves on pulleys. Function: they provide good grip and reduce slippage, making them ideal for high-torque applications. Applications: widely used. Flat belts. Description: these are flat, flexible belts with a rectangular cross-section. Function: they can handle light to moderate loads and are suitable for long distances between pulleys. Applications: timing belts. Description: these have teeth on the inner surface that fit into matching grooves on pulleys. Function: they ensure precise timing and synchronization of moving parts, preventing slippage. Applications: Pulleys belts. Description: these feature multiple small V-shaped ribs on the inner surface, allowing for increased contact area. Function: they provide high power transmission capability and flexibility, making them suitable for compact spaces. Applications: common in automotive applications and small machinery. Round belts. Description: these are cylindrical belts used primarily in lightweight applications. Function: they can handle moderate loads and are flexible, making them suitable for varied pulley configurations. Applications: often used in small conveyors and drive systems. Chain belts. Description: composed of interconnected links, these belts resemble chains. Function, they provide a durable solution for heavy-duty applications where high tension is required. Applications, common in conveyor systems and industrial machinery. Motors size charts. Belt calculations. Thanks. Do you have any questions? www.linkedin.com in rahulamahila.com